What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to make a video in regards to the Brembo master cylinder brake switch. Wanted to show you guys how it is that you go ahead and wire it in, because a lot of the videos out there, they don't show you how to go ahead and a lot of the videos out there they don't show you how to go ahead and wire in your brake switch so you can still have that functionality of having the brake light. With your Brembo 19 RCS Corsa Corda right here, some of them come with a brake switch, and they come with some connectors. So these are the connectors right here. So I went ahead and spliced them, and now you have your brake switch from the OEM. So we went ahead and disconnected it, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect this brake switch to our OEM system. Now, I went to Advanced Auto Part and got me some fully insulated quick disconnects. So they're basically the same as the ones that come off of the OEM, but we're gonna put these on instead. So to make it nice and clean, all we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it around like so, like how it came, and we're gonna cut it about yay long, just around there. We're gonna put these in, and it should work. Before we go ahead and start plugging things in, we want to make sure that they do work. So went ahead and spliced the wires. We're gonna put one side in, put the other side on, just to have some connection, some continuity. And I'll show you guys. So we're gonna turn this on, and we're gonna see if we have some lights, right? So it does work. So all we have to do on our end, we'll turn this off. All we have to do is cut this shorter. We'll put these insulation quick disconnects on, so just in case, maybe in the future, if if you wanted to disconnect it, you're able to just unplug it as opposed to soldering them together. And there you have it, guys. So connectors, all you got to do is just connect them on, wrap it around right over here how it came from factory, just like so. Put these on, and you're good to go. Easy as that. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.